There we go.
That tall building ahead.
It's the armory. The medicine is in there.
Guards. They're going to be a problem.
It's not like they'll kill us.
Speak for yourself. That brazier. We might be able to use it as a distraction. Okay, here's the plan. We'll shoot that brazier. Start a fire. Draw the guards' attention, then... Kiku? Where are you going?
Hey! Over here!
What? Kiku, what are you doing here?
Commander Wada needs to see you right away. At the stables.
What for?
It's a horse emergency. You don't want to keep him waiting.
Right. Let's go.
A horse emergency.
Better than setting the castle on fire.
Well, let's get moving before they come back. I'll find a way over the gate and pull you up.
All right. You must sneak into lots of castles.
Leonese. Your father helped.
Really?
He's good at this, too. It's closed.
We'll need to find another way over. Can you teach me to do that?
So you can get into more trouble?
Wait for me! I'm ready. Pull me up. Those names on your belt. Why did you kill them?
They deserved it.
Did they hurt you?
I'll tell you when you're older.
The armory's on the other side of this wall. Can you boost me up?
Let's do it.
Now I'll pull you up.
That won't end well. I'll have to find another way around. What have I gotten myself into? Shube, it was Kiku's idea. Don't look at me. Kiku, you okay?
Better than you. I'm inside.
You made it.
There's a door. I'll unlock it for you. That's it. The medicine should be in here somewhere.
Here it is.
There's more here than I thought.
The army will need the rest. Let's get out of here before someone finds us.
Oh! What were you doing in there?
That's a question for the girl.
Hantatsu.
It's a good lesson. Think quick.
We took some medicine for the refugees.
Stealing? You will be sent to jail for that.
You knew, right? If people don't get this medicine, there could be riots. Do you want to cause a riot?
Well, I will have to speak to my commander.
Do you mean Commander Wada? He's the one who sent us to get medicine.
He did?
We can all go talk to him. Or you could let us go and you'd be a hero. You'd save your commander a lot of trouble.
Yes, you're right. It's important we keep order. Carry on.
Nicely done.
I'll go hand out this medicine. Thank you, Antatsu.
Are you Atsu? Lord Kitamori is waiting for you in the keep. You heard
Did he say what this is about?
only that it was urgent.
This information is accurate. Within the last hour,
We will need to act.
Commander Wada, I'm surprised you let me in the door.
Lord Kitamori insisted.
we have word of the dragon. He's captured our lighthouse on the far side of the harbor. He's a hard one to pin down, but he's there now.
Then let's go after him. This is my chance.
But this is my war.
No, it's Saito's war. And his sons have you backed into a corner. If I bring down the dragon, Saito loses his right hand. He'll be weak.
Commander, Atsu is a weapon. The Onryo strikes fear in the enemy, a lesson the Oni and Kitsune learned all too well. We need to use that.
What do you propose?
My men and I will storm the lighthouse, while she goes after the dragon.
Very well. Take back our lighthouse. And bring me the dragon's head.
The lighthouse is on the other side of the harbor. My men will be waiting.
I'm surprised you went along with this, Jude.
There's no denying your reputation. We may as well use it.
Anything to avenge mother and father.
We will bring them justice and win this war. For Clan Matsumai and Kiku. How did it go with her? She sometimes finds flower arrangements trying.
We had a little adventure.
Do I want to know?
Probably not. But she cares. Gets that from her father.
And her knack for causing trouble? Who does she get that from?
You should have told me about her.
I'm sorry, Atsu. I was trying to shield her. There's the world Kiku believes in, and the one that you and I know is real.
She's already in it, Jude. She's growing up fast.
That's what I'm afraid of. I've been too busy to notice. The lighthouse is just ahead.
Do you think this plan will work?
I hope so. Our scouts have only caught glimpses of the dragon.
Because he's careful. He knows he's a target. We'll only get one shot at him.
Then let's make it count. This is it. We'll speak with my soldiers.
Lord Kitamori.
Men, the hour has come. We fight back. We kick the enemy off our shore. My associate and I will focus on killing the dragon.
A woman?
That's right. And I'll be the last thing these dogs ever see.
She and I will sneak in and confirm the dragon's here. Wait for our signal, then blow the gates and attack.
Men, take your positions.
This way, Atsu. We'll climb up the rocks.
I'll boost you up.
Let's find a good vantage point. See if we can spot the dragon.
He'll be well guarded.
My men will thin his ranks. Through here.
That's a lot of soldiers.
Enough to seize the lighthouse from us. And like you said, he knows he's a target.
I see your Matsumae. They're in position.
They'll wait for my signal. We have to get a lay of the land first. That boat offshore, is it the dragons?
Looks like it. A warship fit for Saito's son. He must be here somewhere. There's the bastard. He's taken Matsumae prisoners.
Kill them all!
Now he's headed for the lighthouse. They're going to execute the Matsumae.
Animals. We'll stop them. Let's get down there!